Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable reviews in WooCommerce. This is a really useful feature if you want to control which products can receive customer feedback and ratings on your store. Let's jump right into it. First, open up a browser and head over to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now. Make sure you're using the account that has access to your WooCommerce store, as this is where we'll be making all the necessary changes. Once you're logged in, take a look at your left navigation menu. You'll see a WooCommerce menu option there. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your online store, from inventory to settings. We'll be working within this section to enable or disable reviews on your WooCommerce products. Now click on Products in your left navigation menu. This will bring up a complete list of all the products currently listed in your WooCommerce store. You'll see everything from active listings to drafts, all organized in one place. From here, your task is to locate the specific product you want to enable or disable reviews for. Scroll through the list until you find it, and once you've located the product, hover your cursor over it. You'll notice a few options appear beneath the product name. Go ahead and click on the Quick Edit option. This is a handy shortcut that lets you make fast changes without opening the full product editor. After clicking Quick Edit, a menu will expand right there on the same page, giving you access to several quick settings. The process from here is pretty straightforward. Look for the Enable Reviews checkbox. This checkbox controls whether customers can leave reviews and ratings on this particular product. If the box is checked, reviews are enabled. If it's unchecked, reviews are disabled. Simply click the checkbox to toggle it on or off, depending on what you need. Once you've made your choice, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Update button that appears at the bottom of the Quick Edit panel. This ensures your settings are applied immediately and will reflect on your product page. And that's it. You've successfully enabled or disabled reviews for a product in WooCommerce. This gives you full control over customer feedback and helps you manage your store's reputation more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.